Hey, what's going on, everyone? I want to take you through this pretty unique Cougar half-ton travel trailer floor plan. This is the 34 TSB model. It comes in weighing a little bit over 8,500 pounds with a tip-to-tip length of 37 feet 5 inches. So here at the front, we have our power tongue jack. So all you have to do is just press a button. There's also a utility light, so you can kind of see what you're doing if you get to the campground while it's still dark outside. Propane tanks just behind there, and you also have this protective casing just to make them last longer too. Of course, a spot for your battery. And this also has the industry's best 3-year limited structural warranty with Keystone. Accent lights on your front cap, so you can turn these on while you are taking it down the road. And then coming over to our camping side, you are prepped for Furrion side marker cameras. So this can be useful for viewing the sides of your camper while you're taking it down the road, or just even putting it in your camping spot. Pass-through storage as well. An awning, you actually have 2 of them, one on the main portion of your camper and then one on your campsite slide out. So you have a lot of outdoor living space that you can use. Outside speakers, friction hinge door as well. And this is a 2022 model, so you do have these solar panels on it. Solid steps, oversized grab handle. And then here at the back, you also have an outside kitchen, mini fridge, open shelving space for your plates and utensils, and then a capital grill that does pull out, stainless steel, so great for those burgers, hot dogs, anything that you want. Outside shower. You also have a satellite and cable hookup plus power for your TV. And I'm going to try to squeeze in through here. Spare tire, plus you are pre-wired for a backup camera if you want one. 2 more slide outs on your non-camping side. And then coming over here, you have your docking station, access to your water heater, plus the other side of your pass-through storage. So now let's take a peek at the inside. Okay, so coming all the way to the front and then working our way towards the back. Here we have our master bedroom, a huge king-size bed, which you don't see too often in a travel trailer. You can lift it up for that additional storage underneath. You are also prepped for a second AC here in the bedroom. End tables or nightstands are on both sides with kind of raised up shelves, and then some itty bitty like little pocket space in there so you can hide some snacks or your personal belongings, make it less cluttered on your nightstand. Power outlets and USB ports so you can charge your electronics or plug in a sleep app machine. Windows are on both sides, and these are your emergency exits. But then you also have a huge tinted window there at the front with a shade so you can sleep in. Cabinetry is running along in between both of your closet lockers. There is also a mirror panel on the front of them, so you can kind of use that to get ready. Clothes rack is in there. And you also have a private entrance into the bathroom, which is nice. Spot for a TV. And then coming out through the main entrance into the bathroom, as you can see, there's a lot of walking space. Your knees aren't hitting anything when you are using the toilet. But speaking of, this is a porcelain foot flush toilet at an angle. Nice barn style sliding door into that bedroom entrance. And then here we have some cabinetry for your towels and washcloths. Clear sliding rounded out shower doors. So this can really open up this space. I like that they incorporated that. The skylight is there up above. Medicine cabinet. Of course, your sink with storage below and some power if you need it. And then coming out here, just next to it and right across from your main entrance is your in-command system. So through this touchscreen, you are able to access your water pump, water heater, interior lights, and be able to see how full your tanks are. So this thing is pretty awesome. And it also has an app that you can download for free from your phone. So if you want to relax on your theater reclining seats, you can still access all of that. So coming into the rest of our camper, I love the uniqueness of this entire living space. To my left is our booth dinette. It does fold down into a sleeping space, and the legs are mounted against the wall so your knees aren't knocking into them. Power outlets at the base, so your kids can charge their electronics, or you can plug in your laptop and such. Here in this slide out, the flooring, this is not carpet. It's almost like an outdoor rug material. So you are able to sweep up pet hair very easily. Love that this whole slide out is covered with windows and they all have the roll down blackout shades. Next to your booth dinette is your theater reclining seats, built-in cup holders, heating, massage, accent lights, and some storage too for some snacks. Again, kind of some random storage next to your reclining seats. I don't know what you can use it for, but at least you got it. And then here we have our gorgeous cream color that it is introduced. They started having this in the 2021 models, but I love it. They're carrying it through the 2022 Cougars, which just look great. Love this kitchen too. It's its own little nook space. But before I forget, our price comes out to be $51,985 for everything. And I don't know if you consider this an island because it's kind of mounted against the wall, but I like that this has the island feel. You know, you have all of that countertop space on either side of your sink, but it's still kind of its own little area for your kitchen. Storage below, 50/50 split stainless steel sink, spray nozzle, kind of an open shelving for maybe decorations or a spice rack. Power outlets too, so you can have some small appliances plugged in. Across from there, we have our 3-burner top stove with a glass cover, oven, lots of drawers, more countertop space, another window, more power outlets, cabinet there up above, microwave and range hood, then our very large refrigerator. And then here we have our entertainment center right across from our theater reclining seats, electric fireplace down below. So this is all electric. You can use it to heat up your camper, especially during a chilly day like today, or you can just have those really pretty lights going on during the summer. Big old swivel 4K Ultra HD TV, access to those outside speakers, and then your Blu-ray, DVD, radio, everything is all right here. More storage on either side. And now into our very unique and spacious bunk room. So there's all of this room for your kids to play, games, you know, throw all their pillows on the floor, fun little fort that they can make while they're camping. I just love that they have all of this space to do whatever they want with it. To my right, we have our first bunk. It is rated for 300 pounds. You are able to lift this up too, so you really can sit on the sofa down below without hitting your head. And then speaking of, this also folds down into a sleeping space. End table here on the right for personal belongings. And then directly across from me, you have a spot for a TV with storage on either side, or you can place it here on top of this extra countertop space if you want. More storage down below. This thing is loaded. It kind of wraps along the base of this bunk right here. Again, another bunk that is rated for 300 pounds. So your adults, or I guess just your friends, can come and stay here too if they want. And more closet storage. Same thing up above. Built-in clothes rack too. But there you have it. Any questions or concerns, feel free to let us know and we'll be happy to help.